Today I am going to show you how to make stylus. First you need a U-pin like this, an earbud, water and scissors. First you have to take an earbud and cut its tip with the help of the scissors. Yes, see to that you are keeping some part of that straw. After that, take the pin and put it inside the hole of that earbud. After this, you will feel little hard at the top. That means that your stylus is halfly ready. Now, you can use hot glue gun to secure it. Hot glue gun is not compulsory to use. It's just for securing. You can also go without hot glue or you can use tape. Let the glue dry. Now take the water and dip the stylus in it, means that the tip. Stylus works on the mobile screen. So take your mobile and you can use it. See, it's working so nicely, just like a stylus. Use the whiteboard. The link is in the description box. Go to Doodle Desk and just start drawing. Wow, that's working so nicely. Just like the stylus pen which we get of different companies, and it is simply a free one.